Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. Price hasn't really moved too much since my last update. It has made a new low, I think, after the last update. However, we see now a bullish divergence on various time frames. For example, here on the 1 hour chart, you make a lower low on the price chart, higher lows here on the MACD. On the relative strength index, it's the same story, higher lows after it was oversold. But we can also go to the 4 hour chart where we also see a bullish divergence, typically a signal that a turnaround could be happening. Bear in mind, it's only an indicator, not the price itself. Indicators are always, shouldn't determine your wave count, your Elliott wave count, but they can confirm it or give you an important heads up. So here as well, 4 hour chart, MACD, clear bullish divergence, and we prevented a bearish crossover here. So, or just about prevented it. So let's see, I mean, it's certainly slowing down here a little bit, the downtrend. You can even put, even though it's not very well defined, you can put a bit of an descending wedge onto the chart here. Now I'm gonna change here the color of those lines, just sort of to highlight that, and then we take out this channel, we don't need that anymore. But yeah, the idea is that we could be coming down here in this wave 2, that this was only the A wave of the wave 2. Ideally, this should hold the 116 level, and we should rally in a B wave, yeah, and off the last low, the target in the B wave would be between 137.6 and 149, basically. If it goes above 149, then we can talk about a possible breakout here. But for now, I would rather be looking at this as a B wave. I mean, in terms of breakout, I mean that possibly then something much more bullish is going on, yeah, and that the one second, for some reason this wave 1 disappeared. Yeah, there should be a wave 1 here, unless I'm no, I don't know. Oh yeah, no, that's fine. Let's leave that where it is. No. Obviously we moved up in a wave 1 here in yellow, here circle yellow 1, and we come down in ABC to complete this yellow circle 2 eventually, and we will be able to specify the targets a little bit closer and more in a more narrow way if or as soon as we get closer. Yeah, but at the moment, I mean, this is already quite a narrow support area here for the price, yeah, between 116 and 126. Based on MATIC's volatility, that's quite a lot. And yeah, just waiting here for a breakout of the wedge to the upside as a possible signal that the B wave has started. And from there, from this resistance area, we then need to be watching if the price is going to react to it and might get that sell-off in a C wave down to 92 to 116. Again, if we break above 148 earlier or 149, then already this wave 2 might have been finished already here. Do I assume it? No, it's not my primary expectation. Also, this wave 2 would be very short, also time-wise. So rather waiting here for a deeper wave 2 in terms of time and also depth, okay? Because if you will look at the Fibonacci time zones, look at how long did wave 1 take, you would expect it at least to take sort of, well, at least more than 50% of wave 1, yeah, ideally sort of between 60 and 100%. So we might look at end of March to get this C wave complete. But, you know, you can always, you know, maybe get an escalation of some sort. The wave count can change if we suddenly break above 149, and it might have just been something different then. Like, for example, another escalation like Bitcoin Ethereum might be doing if we say, okay, maybe we had a wave 4 of some sort complete here. This is just another 1-2 setup of a 5th wave, and then we will escalate higher. But it's not the most healthy structure I see here, so I can only really show you here at the moment my most likely count and scenario. And in a more bearish scenario, if we drop below 116, I think we have the situation that we're looking here at a C wave. Yeah, this blue count is basically the second scenario where we moved down off this high in August in an A wave. All of this was a massively overshooting B wave, and we could then come down in a C wave to form a so-called running flat pattern. But then eventually we should also sort of hold in this support area here. But when we get into this scenario and I can confirm this, then I will be able to give you a clearer support area. But it's not the most reliable chart to follow. That's why I've highlighted these in orange, because they are, in my opinion, a little bit unstable, these support areas, and so far also MATIC hasn't really reacted in a very bullish way to it. But then again, I need to say, these can always turn around at an instant. So let's see if these support areas are holding. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.